What was the most vivid memory of that time for you?
Well, I grew up in Xinjiang, where is the place now they have this re-education camp for hundreds of thousands of wayward people. And, this is horrifying situation happens in 21st century. You put people in this kind of location unwillingly, and you force them to study some kind of ideology which really being put on them by Communist Party. And it's not much different today from decades ago when I growing up there. So the same idea of to re-educate people, to brainwash them, and to force them for this kind of labor camps. So the idea is to maintain some kind of control. So and this is not going to work, and it being proved it's not going to work.
If the situation continues in Xinjiang, if there's no international pressure to change what is happening, what's at stake? What could happen to the Uyghurs?
Well, this is general practice of China. Since 1949, they're not only doing this to minority people like wayward people or Tibetans, they also do to their Han people. My family is not wayward, but we have been sending to Xinjiang, and my father has been doing hard labor, and we spent about 20 years there. So, this is just one of the tactics to maintain this kind of so-called stability of this kind of state.